Hey everyone, so a few days ago, a few weeks ago, I made the video about growing properties and how we took them from 0 to 150 leads every month, but at the same time, we also took them from 1,000 visitors in their website, 2,000, something like that, to more than 5,000, almost 6,000. And I didn't cover that. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we took growing properties from this, which is June of 2025 before we launched, to in the last 30 days, more than 5,700 visitors. So I'm gonna show you exactly what strategies we're using because of course you can have high conversions, but if you don't have traffic, you're not gonna get any leads. And in Dubai, since it's so competitive, it's all a strategy that you need to implement, but with the right strategy, you can actually get a good amount of traffic. So let's dive right into it. So the whole video is just gonna be divided into three main things, which is like how the strategy works. Of course, we have first off like the reputation traffic, which is just traffic that comes through people that are searching for pro in property specifically, that they already know you, right? So the only way to get more of that is having your website displayed into like your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your business card, just your WhatsApp profile, everywhere that people can actually click on and go directly to it. But what I'm gonna show you and the three concepts that I'm gonna show you is more for the other traffic, people that don't know you yet, that will find you because of the SEO that you're doing. And that's gonna be divided into three main things. First off is the technical part, which is just the structure of the site, the code, etc. Second is how we structure the entire site, how we internally link all of the different pages. And the third is the content and the keywords that we try to rank for. Okay, so the first part is literally just like making sure that your H1s are correct, that your H2s are correct, that you have the meta description, the title, the schema markups. And this is just technical stuff. But what you can do is you can install an extension like SEO Spider Tools, and you can check directly into your, into your homepage, and then not only your homepage, but your other pages that are gonna rank. So let me explain, right? This kind of links to the structure, but you need to install this extension, SEO Spider Tools or whatever extension you want. And it's already gonna tell you like if things are correct. And it even tells you like if something is too long, it's gonna tell you, right? But more, importantly than the homepage is the other pages that we're gonna rank, because the homepage is always gonna rank for your main keyword. And that's just the traffic that already knows you. Now, what we need to see is the other pages, like the area guide, for example, or the service pages. So if we go to an area guide, so we have business here, for example, right? And then we have a whole entire area guide about the area with key highlights and sub-communities. But if this was all just text, then they would not care about this page. Now, when we go into Spider Tools, see that we have a title, a meta title, a meta description, a URL, then all of the H2s and all of the H3s, with the titles of the properties that are in there, so that when Google sees this page, it can understand what it's about. That's what it's about, right? Now I'm gonna get into the structure of the site. So what you need to do with just to wrap up the technical stuff is download this thing and go over the different pages that will rank, like for example, also the project pages. You need to go into here and see if the description is alright, the title is alright, the H1s are good, the H3s, etc. It's all structured in a good way. Now, the structure is also really important because you need to internally link all of these pages in a way that tells Google that you're the authority. See, what happens nowadays is that Google has all of the content in the world. They don't need more content. They need better authority and people that are trustworthy, that they're gonna give them the content that's actually valuable. How do we do that? Is by showing Google that we are the authority. So what we do is we basically find topics related to our niche and we create pages based on that content, right? That respond to that content. So let me show you an example. Think about your niche, real estate. What are people that are gonna buy real estate thinking or searching about? They're exploring areas. First of all, they wanna see the areas. They wanna see what the return on the area is, what are the properties in that area, the story of that area, where it's heading, etc. We make area pages. Second, what are they, thinking? Developers. What are the developers in Dubai? Which developer should I choose? Boom, we make developer pages. Third, projects, right? They're searching for projects because projects are booming. Like everyone, there's just a bunch of projects in Dubai. Now we make the projects, we put them in there. We internally link this with the area pages, and we put the information that that the users are thinking about or searching in the area pages. What it's all about, it's just answering one simple question like, are you providing value to the user? And then we make blogs specifically for what, people might be searching for. For example, flipping houses in Dubai, best restaurants in Palm Jumeirah. And then we even link this not only to, the Google Maps profile of the different restaurants, for example, just to provide more value and to get more authority in the eyes of Google, but also to the area page itself. So we just, all of the different, all of the structure of the page is around projects, but then also we need to reply to these questions that the users are having. How do we do that? Is by just building the content around that and making sure that when they go into a developer, they can see information about the developer, etc. So that literally that's the strategy that the top players in Dubai are using right now to get traffic. And that's how, if we see where these people are coming from, we'll find that a lot of it is from projects. So let me show you. So as you can see, I'm filtering by off-plan. So this is only off-plan pages in Pro in Properties. Pro in Properties, in their old website, they had 300 projects. We migrated all of the content to the new website, but because of the way that we structured it, they began ranking for them. So as you can see, we started on July. I showed you June, right? And we started on July, and as you can see, since July we've been going up. And if we see these pages, we're gonna see the pools beachfront villas, 53 clicks, glitch residence, 29 clicks. Now, how do we build the content that we're gonna put in the area pages, in the structure, in the projects, etc., in a way that gets us more clicks? For area guides, we like to basically first off see what the people are searching. So you can see that using tools like SEMrush. So let me show you an example. Let me show you keyword research that we've done for Business Bay, right? So in Business Bay, we first off get just a keyword research tool like SEMrush, for example. We put in Business Bay, and then it gives us all just keyword variations of what people are searching for in Business Bay. People are searching for apartments, restaurants, hotels. What we do is we then go ahead and basically just respond to that. So that way, when someone's Googling that, we can appear there. So key highlights, sub-communities, location map and overview, nearby areas, communities, attractions and points of interest, public transport, metrobus, with all just animations and small things that look good. And yeah, that's how we start to then give SEO power to, if we click see properties, we start giving that authority to then the off-plan project. That's how we do it. FAQs with just everything that people are searching, which we can see. I think here people also ask, what is Business Bay known for? Is Business Bay a good area? And the coolest part of all is that all of this can be automated with AI. Not just with ChatGPT, it's a whole automation. So if you want me to show you that, I can show you that. And if you want me to build a website for you, I can do that as well. That's all I do all day, every day. So yeah, let's get on a 15-minute call, consultation. I'll get to understand your needs, your goals, and based on that, I can prepare a strategy for you. So I'll see you soon. Just click the link in the description and book a consultation with me. Bye bye.